So today we're going to be coloring our hair. We are dyeing it. I'm dyeing my hair ash blonde and my eyebrows, and then we're dyeing her brows like a platinum blonde. So yeah, first I'm going to take the L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength. Actually, no, I'm going to take the 30 Developer first. It says for that whole bag that we need to put in 1.5 ounces. And this little measure cup, or whatever you want to call it, mixing bowl, there we go. Mixing bowl has the measuring lines in here. So let me just make sure I'm on the right side, okay. I think that's a lot, but it says. I'm gonna mix it. I'm pouring the whole bag of lightener in here. I'm trying not to call it bleach because they say it's not bleach. It's not supposed to be called bleach, but you know what it is. And make sure when you're doing this that the hair that you're applying it to is dry and doesn't have any oils in it. It makes it harder for your hair to take the lightener. And then you just want to mix it with your brush. And you want it to get like, think of the consistency of yogurt. So you want to mix it in. Should get everything. Your brows probably gonna take, I don't even know. Watch that.
You got,
oh. Yeah. That's strong. So this is what the consistency looks like. It's real strong. Real strong. I'll let you do your eyebrows first.
all right, let me get some
Oh.
Vaseline.
So we're putting, I'm putting some coconut oil around the perimeter of my brows just so that the color doesn't get on to my skin. Gotta be extra careful with my uniform.
I got a little piece, yeah.
A lot of piece in your fucking eyebrows. So once we put the color on our brows, I saw on a tutorial by hairstylists them putting saran wrap on it to like activate it with the heat from your body, and like, you know, it's trapping the heat in to the saran wrap. So let's do this. Okay, we're using the mascara spoolies wand, whatever you want to call it. Because like I said, you want it to be covered in the color. If not, then like I said, it'll be spotty and then you'll look maybe interesting. I've seen some people like that. Yeah, I said brush it up, yep.
This is not gonna take long at all.
Yeah, get that in right there, them little random hairs. Yeah, I mean, they might be gone tomorrow, but it's better now to get them. She's getting her brows done tomorrow, so.
Oh.
Yeah, get all in there. Get in there. It's also my first time doing my brows too, so I'm more expert at the hair on my head than on my eyebrows.
Same, this was, yeah. This is new for me, but I'm excited.
Let that sit on her eyebrows, and you can throw it in the trash, I have plenty, until it starts to lighten. And then she's gonna clean up the area that it got onto her skin. Okay. Now it's my turn. I'm trying to debate. I'm gonna do my hair first because it's gonna take the longest, and then I'm gonna do,
Let me,
I might need your help to do the back, so when I get there. When you are lightening your hair, you want to start in the middle and work on towards the outer like from the middle, and then work, you know, your way to the outer corners and the edges of your hair, because your hair processes faster around the edges than it does in the middle. That's something that I had to learn the hard way, when my hair would be all literally the color of the shirt and like super light blonde in places. And I don't recommend wearing, you know, cute clothes while you're doing it, just in case if you get it on there. I don't really care about this outfit like that. So there's that. And so you're just gonna brush it like a paintbrush. You wanna make sure you get it everywhere. Actually, I'm gonna put this towel on me just in case. Just in case I don't make it home tonight. I wanna make love to you for the last time, baby. Just in case, just in case. I just heard that song earlier. That's why it's in my head. But I feel like that's a song that's in my head often. Probably should have took off my earrings before I started doing this. All right. This color is strong, baby. Devin, what time is it? You want to pay attention to the time.
Ooh, babe. 7:36.
Okay, maybe set you probably have had it on for maybe, I don't know.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
So you can leave it on for what?
You can leave it on, honestly, until it gets to the desired color that you want.
So I'll do,
you can do
10 and see what it looks like.
No, not 10 minutes.
15? 30?
20.
20.
Yeah. I mean, you can do two timers if you want.
Okay.
Once my whole head is done, I'll need you to set a timer for me, but.
Let me know when you're ready for the back of your head.
And when I color my hair, sometimes I need a second pair of hands so that they can get the back part that I can't really see. I have a handheld mirror, but you know how that go, boo boo. You know how that go. I applied the color everywhere to my hair. I'm just having Devin make sure that the color is everywhere that I need it to be. Friends are for. Oh, if you don't know what movie that's from, then we can't be friends. I don't know if I got everywhere where
You actually did.
Okay, cool. You don't see no little black hairs. Okay, yeah, you
get
it.
Right here.
Even if it's on my skin, it's okay, because I can always wipe it off my skin afterwards.
Deleted your number. Damn, I wish I had it right about now. Deleted your number.
To see, you can take the stuff off to see if it's the color that you want it
to. I need them a little lighter.
Okay, cool. I just want to make sure because I don't want you to get to do mine again, depending. All right, so now I have it all over my scalp, and now it's time for my brows. It's my first time ever lightening my brows. So, taking the spoolie or mascara brush and just brushing it into my brows. I need to be careful for my lash extensions because I don't want to bleach them, honey. Period. 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 And I'm really gonna I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up just to make sure that it gets all the hairs. I'm thinking got it all in there. So now I just need to clean it up. Almost perfect, baby. And then I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna let it sit on my brows for probably 30 minutes. My hair is really dark and it takes a while for it to take color. And then I'll let it sit on my hair for probably like 45 minutes or until I feel like I can't take it anymore. Because I am going for ash blonde, like white. I need to get my sideburns. I forgot about that. I am a hair girl. I got hair everywhere. But the hair that's not on my head and my lashes and brows, gone. Wax. If I could afford it, I would get the laser hair removal. And now we wait. So I'll show you guys after waiting what it looks like. Now I'm about to apply the saran wrap to my brows. Like I said, this is just gonna activate it. And then I'm also gonna put on a shower cap for my hair to activate, to get that heat trapped in so that the color can process as fast as possible. All right, y'all, so my brows are taking forever. I just feel like, I don't know if I should keep it on there or just wipe them off and start again. With my hair, I'm keeping the lightener on there. So my brows are like just taking longer than I expected for them to process the color. My hair, I've done this so many times that I know it's gonna take like an hour for it to process and get to the color that I want. If not, then I'll reapply it and then put the toner on, and then that's it. So I'm gonna wipe off my brows. Should have thought this through. How am I gonna do this? You can type it in. Do you know how to get there? Oh, I thought you were looking for the show.
Oh.
This is what I'm doing, look.
Oh, okay.
Did you ended up using a Q-tip?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I need more water.
It takes longer, but...
Y'all, my brows, I look a little wild because they're patchy. So I'm just gonna apply the lightener again. But my hair is really dark and it usually takes a while for it to process the color. So I washed off my brows and this is what they look like, real patchy, like literally the color of my shirt. My hair is probably still yellowish, you see? I know when it's time for this. Usually, for me, I wait until it's like a little on fire because my hair is really dark and it takes quite a bit for it to process, like for it to turn the color that I want. Like I said, I'm going for like an ash blonde, a white blonde, silverish color. Okay, so this is how Devin's brows turned out. She loves them. They look so good, right? Poppin', a baddie. All right, I do too. I love them. So I took the saran wrap off my brows. My brows are taking forever. My hair, I took the shower cap off right here. And it's still looking yellow, but I'm going to rinse it off and see what it looks like. I'm about to wash this out of my brows and my hair to see the color. If it doesn't process, then I'm gonna do it again. All right, so I'm just taking a paper towel with some water and wiping my brows. I feel like they're yellow, I'm not sure. Yeah, they still look yellow to me. They crack me up. All right, for the big reveal. Now time for the big reveal. Yellow as fuck. So I'm gonna do it again. Let's see what the back looks like. Hopefully it's all the same color. That's what I'm hoping for. Yes, at least it's all the same color. So I'm just happy that it's even. But I still need to do it one more time because it's not the desired color that I want. So I'm going to reapply the lightener again. And yeah. All right, so this is the second go round, third go round for the brows, but praying that the brows turn the color that I want them faster than my hair on my head. Well, on the top of my head, just because it's less hair and they burn a little bit. So I'm gonna leave it on my brows for probably like 10 to 15 minutes and then on my head for probably like 30 more minutes. And I'll be back with the final results. All right, y'all, so I've washed out my brows and they are the color that I want. Yeah, so now I'm about to wash it out of my hair. Hopefully it is exactly what I want. You guys will see after.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
So I washed it out and this is the finished look. I'm so excited. I've never dyed my brows before. All right, make sure you guys like and subscribe and tune in for my next video. I hope you guys like this and be careful coloring your hair, okay?